Hello happy souls, this is my new project Suzuki Max and Raw Revamp, and these are all the chapters which I have categorized for this restoration project. And now we are in chapter 11 unboxing. In that we are in part 16 unboxing the bearing assembly, oil seal and the packing kit. And this is a bearing for clutch assembly. I am using an existing one, and the number is 98206C3L, and other bearing for RH sides are like 6304, and for LH side casing it is 6205C3, 6001 and 6204, and these price may vary depending upon the manufacturer, and roughly around 1200 to 1500 it would cost around this much. And here I prefer SKF bearing, and you can see the packing of Hero, Honda, TBS and other brands. And here they manufacture like for all OEMs. The main number is the part number, the bearing number. The part number may differ depending upon the OEM manufacturer, and these bearing numbers are important thing. And it is same like MRF tire manufacturer tire for all other brands, just the size matters. And this is from JK Pioneer oil seals, and this costs around 132 for the entire engine oil seal. And starting from the RH side casing, and it comes for the magneto unit side, and gear, two gear shafts, and then for kicker assembly, and the sprocket assembly, and so on. Totally there are 6 oil seals, and this is a packing kit. This is mainly used to like to prevent the oil leakage. And if two parts are there, the center casing LH and RH, there we have to use this packing kit. And it acts as a sealant between the parts and prevents the leakage. Whenever you replace or you maintain or do other repair works for the clutch unit, you have to replace this with the new packing kit. And this cost me around 90 rupees, and all gaskets are included. And starting with, this is the right hand side casing for the clutch unit, and this is the main center casing, and for LH and RH side. And this one is for the cylinder kit, and this is the cylinder head part that is in metal part. And another one is for the neutral light, the carburetor one, and the reed valve, and the silencer, and this is the oil pump. And totally there are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 gaskets for this bike. And mainly for heat areas like top of the head and silencer area, they are manufactured with aluminum and stainless steel or special hardened steel. And these are for these LH and RH side center casing. And wherever the part is assembled, in between a gasket should be there, just like we use in cooker. And other than that, this is a special bearing only available in Suzuki bikes, and this is called as thrust bearing or thrust washer, it depends. And this cost me around 140. It was not available in Chennai near my area, but I bought this in Naharkovil. And this is the old part. You can see the inside cylindrical parts are missing in the thrust bearing. And this is main thing, and I bought 2 of them. And these are all the whole assemblies: the packing, the oil seal, and the bearings. These all will be assembled in the center casing of the bike. And videos are available right now in the entire playlist, and you can see that, and keep us supporting. Thank you.